Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. That prevents shorting and lets you work safely. Next, apply even heat along the lower edge to soften the adhesive. Use a heat pad or hairdryer for 60–90 seconds. Once done, place a suction cup near the bottom and lift gently while sliding a thin pick into the gap. You want just enough separation to release the seal. Make sure to keep the screen slightly angled so the top retains its clips while you work on the lower adhesive. You now remove the 2Y000 screws holding the metal bracket over the battery and display connectors. That bracket secures multiple cables and must come off first. Once exposed, disconnect the battery cable before touching any other connectors to minimize risk of damage. After the battery is isolated, carefully disconnect the display, digitizer, and front sensor cables. Use a plastic pry tool and lift connectors at a low angle to avoid tearing. Make sure screws and small parts are stored by location, so reassembly. You finish by removing the Taptic engine and any remaining screws securing the logic board, then pull the battery out using the exposed adhesive tabs. Go slow to avoid snapping them. If replacing parts, install new components in reverse order. Reconnect the battery last to test functionality before you seal the display. Once confirmed, press the display into place and apply new adhesive. If the screen fails to power on, make sure connectors are seated. The grounding bracket is installed correctly, and there's no debris blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.